Now, first of all, as I always say, better to go into registration process, because when the student will go on asking again and again, it is better that to go into registration process. So IMA imanet.org is the website. In this website, you can go into registration. Before going into registration, become a CMA. They are giving you some details and all that. One second. CMA students. So go here. CMAs. The latest information for CMAs. Become a CMA. Inside Centrend. Chair elect on international. Students. Under student. Second. I want to go into registration tab. 1 second. Interested in becoming CMA? Count of CMA certificate. 2 exam parts, part 1, part 2. How to become a CMA? First join IMA as a member and then enroll in the CMA program. Register for the CMA exam part 1, part 2. So first join IMA. CMA program enrollment. Let's go into this CMA program enrollment. Yes. When we will register, because if I will register, they will ask to write the name, address and all that. So there is no point writing that. I'm not clicking that. This is they are saying there are 2 categories for CMA course registration. One is professional member category and one is student and academic member category. Student means those who are doing graduation, 12 pass out, or those who have completed graduation but doing masters. That means to become a student, you should be a person who will be doing graduation or maybe masters. For student category, the fees is lower. The exam fees, the entrance fees, the annual membership fee are all lower. But for professionals, the fees is higher. And higher means it is good amount of difference. For academician, if you suppose you are teaching in Saraf Academy or you are in a school or college as a faculty, then in that case, there is one benefit that you can go into academic category like the student. But you need to give proof that you are working as an academician, then in that case there is a different charges. There are 3 types of expenditures which every student or professional, anybody need to pay to IMA. One is the entrance fees. Entrance fees is valid for 1 year. The second is the membership fee. Membership fee is valid for 2 years. We can go into this handbook. I am not going. They have written that what is the membership fee. The membership fee for professional members is around 280 only, exactly not 280. And for academician and student, it is, I think, around $70 or $80 only. There is a big difference. So when the student register for IMA course, CMA US course, they need to pay entrance fees. If they are coming in the professional member category, 280. If they are coming under student or academic category, 210. Along with that, membership fee, IMA additional membership fee required. That membership fee payment is valid for 2 years. So suppose in professional member that is 280 only. Approximately 560 is the total. 280 plus 280. 280 entrance fees and 280 membership fees. For student and academician, it is 210 plus 90 approximately, 300. Every student doing the IMA CMA US course need to at the first give 2 types of payment. One is the entrance fees and one is the membership fee. This entrance fee and membership fee we will pay in the beginning by going here, that is enroll in CMA program. Once I will click, it will be asking writing my details. Relating to this entrance fees and membership fees, generally IMA offers in a year 2 to 3 times, sometimes 2 times, sometimes 3 times, discount around 40 to 50%. Like they have already communicated 2 days back that they are coming with 50% off on entrance fees and membership fee. For professional, the 50% off will be coming on entrance fees and membership fee. For student and academician, whatever the normal fee is, 50% off. This they have communicated through 2, because they have said that you promote in the students. I have not yet promoted. From today I will say that this is the half payment to become CMA, half payment for entrance and membership fees. And they have written that this 50% waiver will be running from 28th March 2023 to April 11, 2023. That means around 15 days. If any student or professional will join in IMA CMA US course between this period, then in that case their entrance fees and membership fees will be 50%. So I can say for professional 280, because 280 plus 280 is 280 only, and for them 210 plus 90 is 150. This is only for 15 days. If you register during those 15 days, if you are not a registered student of IMA, then in that case they are offering this discount for 15 days from this month 28th March till 11th April, 15 days. On the social media everywhere by the IMA, you will be finding this is floating. I will also communicate, it is not a hidden factor. You will find from the coming week, everywhere it is floated. So if somebody is not yet registered with IMA, register during this period, you will be able to save your money. This offer is not for existing students, for their renewal and all that. That is not there. That is only for new students. I can say that since this is offered by IMA 2 to 3 times in a year, then obviously the students should be waiting for this, and they should be registering, student or professionals, anybody, during this period. So for a professional, the $280, say consider $300, because sometimes the discount is 40-45%. Consider $300. And then the 2 exam, 460 plus 460, which is $920. So 920 plus 300 becoming around $1220. $1220 if we calculate at the rate of say 80. $1220 at the rate of 80. What will be the fees coming? If we consider $1 will cost INR 80 rupees. I am talking about Indian student, you can see. Or maybe you are outside India, but for you the major currency in which you are dealing regularly is INR, suppose. So $1220 into 80, how much? Around 95, 96,000, 96, 97,000. 1220 into 80. Are you doing proper calculation? Why you are doing 88, sir? Actually, it is difficult to say what will be the price of dollar and INR. But in recent past, I will say the IMA has also increased the fees in 2022, and even the dollar has appreciated from 75, 76 to around 82, 83. So I am considering a ballpark figure around 80. You can say that maybe मेरा बेसी लग गया, बोलना मुश्किल है यार. तो ये दोनों चीज को हम लोग we can't control these two things. What is the payment to IMA exactly and what is the dollar rate in INR? मैं normally ऐसा बोलता हूं कि the cost will be coming around 90 to 95,000. For a professional person, the cost will be coming around 90 to 95,000. लेकिन for a student or academician, they are required to pay in place of $300, $150 for the same entrance fees and the membership fees. So उनके केस में cost क्या आ रहा है? 150 into 80, around 12,000 less. Around you can say 10 to 15,000 less. So for them, the cost will be coming around 80,000. Now many times the student want to save this money. अच्छा एक बात और है, sorry. For student and for student and the exam fees is also 345 into 2. So it is 670. 670 plus 150. 670 plus 150 is coming around 820. So 820 into 80 will be coming around 70 to 75 maximum. So for academician and student, the exam fees, the annual subscription, the entrance fees, the membership fees, all are very low. तो स्टूडेंट वांट टू गो इनटू स्टूडेंट कैटेगरी, प्रोफेशनल भी, तो वो लोग कभी कभी क्या बोलते हैं कि सर हम कोई मास्टर्स कोर्स ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. सपोज इग्नू यूनिवर्सिटी से यू ज्वाइन MBA, you join MCOM, MBA, whatever, and then you get the benefit of this, you can. But later on, when you claim the membership, they want the proof that you have completed that master's course. So unless and until you don't have the intention to complete masters, don't try to go into student and academic category. Whatever your category is there, follow that. For a professional, the cost will be coming around 95,000. For a student or academician, the cost will be coming around 70,000. 1 or 2,000 here and there. Assuming you are joining in the course when the institute offer in entrance fees and membership fees discount offer, which you can see in the last 4 to 5 years, every time in a year, 2 to 3 times they offer the discount. And for registration purpose, you just need to click this. You need to mention your all the details, select the amount of fees, select the category, that whether you are professional, whether you are a student or academician, and depending upon make the payment and proceed. That's the story for the IMA registration. So those who are not registered, they should be registering between March 28 to 11th April. They can save their 50% money in respect of entrance fees and membership fees, which is shared by the IMA Institute only, not by anybody else, that they are going to offer this, that we can use in our social media, and they have mentioned it is March 28 to April 11th. They have communicated 2-3 days back only. And they have said that they will start promoting this on March 7th. That means in the social media, it must be already there. And at the same time, this is specifically written that it is not for existing members. It is only for new registrations. But any student who want to do IMA, CMA, US should register during this time. Your entrance fees will be valid for 1 year. If you complete the course in 1 year, which you should be, then there is no entrance fees payable again. But if you don't able to complete the course in 1 year, then this entrance fee is 280 for professional, and this for a student and academician is payable again. If suppose somebody is registering on 28th March, then in that case, that entrance fees is valid till 27th March 2024. You need to clear both the parts. If you don't complete, you need to pay this again. So when you register, you have to take an oath that I will complete the course within 1 year. Otherwise, there is a huge increase in the cost. and it is not advisable that students should be taking more than 1 year to complete the course, because 2 exams normally 4 months, you can take maybe 6 months maximum. That much time you should be taking, otherwise not advisable to do this course, because then your cost is escalating, and normally if the student is not completing the course in 1 year, they are never completing. In my case, since last 2014 onwards, I am teaching CMA, IMA, US. I don't find any single example where the student completed the course in more than 1 year. No student. Maybe 1 or 2 student, I remember, forget their name, they gave the exam, they couldn't clear, and they cleared after 1 year by giving exam again next time. So that way they gave the exam in first year, and then they couldn't clear, then they gave the exam next time, they cleared. That way they took more than 1 year. But there is not a single student in my example who have not given any exam in 1 year and after that completed IMA, CMA, US. Up till now, with Saraf Academy, with Prakash Saraf, there is not a single student example. So categorize yourself. कि maybe you are deferring, it's go on deferring. It will never finish. आपको ये समझना है कि ये कोर्स वैसा ही है कि इसको 1 साल में करना जरूरी है. आपको ये ओथ लेकर चलना है कि मेरे को 1 साल में, बिकॉज पैसे भी लग रहे हैं और दूसरी बात होएगा भी नहीं, बिकॉज आप आगे बढ़ाते जाओगे तो कभी होना नहीं है. नेवर इट विल कंप्लीट. ओके, एनीबडी हैज एनी क्वेश्चन रिलेटिंग टू रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ IMA? किसी को कुछ बोलना है? अमित, अरुण, गरिमा, नवीन, निखिल, सज्जाल और एनीबडी? कोई डाउट है? बिकॉज अगेन वी विल नॉट बी रिपीटिंग दिस. Whenever you will say, I will say, see the first class video.
Sir,
हाँ.
मैंने entrance fee last time pay किया था.
और आपने मेंबरशिप भी पे नहीं किया था? मेरे ख्याल से वो तो दोनों ही पे किया होएगा ना आपने, बिकॉज एक तो लेते नहीं है वो लोग.
मैंने मेंबरशिप का शायद पहले भी किया था.
हाँ.
लास्ट टाइम दिसंबर जनवरी जब स्टार्ट हुआ,
तो जब दिया था आपने, उससे 1 साल काउंटिंग चालू है. हाँ.
वो तो आ गया.
हाँ.
उसके 2 दिन बाद फिर वो आया कि वो कैंसिल हो गया.
माने पेमेंट कैंसिल हो गया?
मतलब जो मैंने पेमेंट किया था वो कैंसिल हो गया.
नहीं तो क्या चीज का पेमेंट? एग्जाम फीस की, एंट्रेंस फीस की, मेंबरशिप फीस, क्या चीज?
सर मेंबरशिप तो मैंने पहले दिया, एंट्रेंस फीस की तो मैंने 210 मैंने पे किया था.
तो यानी कि एग्जाम फीस नहीं बोल रहे आप, बोल रहे हैं $280 पे हुआ, बाद में आया मैसेज कि आपका पेमेंट नहीं हुआ क्योंकि कुछ कार्ड में गड़बड़ी होएगा, तो उनको एक बार मेल डाल दीजिए, उनको बोलिए. हाँ.
उन्होंने स्लॉट बुक किया था. एक हफ्ते के अंदर आप पे कर दो.
हाँ. हाँ.
स्कीम चलती है इनका.
हाँ. कैंसिल हो गए.
फिर लास्ट में मैंने फिर पे किया, फिर वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा. फिर मैंने पे किया.
कुछ कार्ड में गड़बड़ी हो सकता है, बिकॉज बहुत बार हम लोग को भी स्टूडेंट पे करते हैं ना, तो पेमेंट वेबसाइट पे या हो नहीं पाता. हाँ. तो आप उनको फिर मेल डालिए कि मेरे पास पिछली बार ये था, अभी मैं 50% डिस्काउंट अवेल कर सकता हूं, कि मेल अभी डाल दीजिए, जिससे कि देखें कि 28 मार्च को जब चालू होएगा तो उस टाइम पे आप 50% पे कर पाएंगे. जो मेल डालती है, अगर मान लीजिए जवाब नहीं आता है, CC हमें भी डाल दीजिए, कार्बन कॉपी, तो हम लोग इंस्टीट्यूट से बात करके आपकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की चेष्टा करेंगे. ठीक है ना? कभी भी कोई ऐसा कम्युनिकेशन है जिसका रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है, तो इन दैट केस आप CC हम लोग को भी लूप में रखिए, तो हम लोग IMA इंस्टीट्यूट से बात करके आपका प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की चेष्टा करेंगे. लेकिन वैसे नॉर्मली इंस्टीट्यूट अपने आप ही सॉल्व कर देता है, बट फिर भी कोई इश्यूज है, देन यू कीप अस इन द लूप. ओके? तो अभी डिस्काउंट मिलेगा कि नहीं ये बोलना मुश्किल है. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि भाई मिल जाए, 50% ही लगे. और अगर पेमेंट नहीं हुआ तो एक फायदा हुआ कि वो 3 मंथ्स वहां से चालू नहीं हुआ है. जब आप पे करोगे तभी से 1 ईयर चालू होएगा, तो वहां से 1 ईयर के अंदर आपको कोर्स कंप्लीट करना होगा, नहीं तो ये पैसे फिर लेंगे वो लोग. और मेंबरशिप फी जो आपका जा चुका है, बिकॉज मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है खाली मेंबरशिप फी कैसे गया, बिकॉज जब आप बुक करते हो ना, तो ये वाला और एडिशनल मेंबरशिप फी, ये दोनों वो लोग साथ साथ लेते हैं. तो कुछ हुआ होगा कि नहीं गया या कुछ ऐसा इश्यू हुआ होगा, देन इन दैट केस वो इश्यू के लिए मेंबरशिप फीस तो आपका मीटर चालू है, माने कि जितना जब भी आप पे किए थे वो 2 साल वहीं से गिना जाएगा। एंट्रेंस फीस पे वो लोग डिस्काउंट देंगे नहीं देंगे, यू नीड टू टॉक, यू नीड टू मेल देम कि अभी नया ऑफर आ रहा है तो मेरे को मिलेगा क्या। आपको वो लोग अगर जवाब नहीं देते हैं, आप हमें मेल डाल दीजिएगा, हम उनसे बात करके आपका करवा देंगे। ओके? लेकिन जो पॉलिसी वो डिसाइड करेंगे वो उनके हाथ में है, वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है। ठीक है ना? यस, लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट। और किसी को कुछ बोलना है रजिस्ट्रेशन से रिलेटेड? आगे बढ़ते हैं फिर, ठीक है?